What's up everybody and welcome to another video. Today we are being sponsored by LASFIT. LASFIT is a company who makes headlight bulbs and lights for the cars, and they hit me up.
Bruh.
Do you like my good morning texts?
Yes, that
Okay,
is the
good.
most romantic thing I've ever seen in my
Hell
life.
yeah.
If you're not texting your homies good morning, get the fuck out.
Truth. They hit me up with an offer to install their headlights, do a review, do a comparison for the 350Z. But as you all know, I sold my 350Z over a year ago. But here we have Kegan with his awesome 2004.
5.
But here we have Kegan.
Bruh.
But here we have Kegan with his awesome 2005 350Z with stock headlights. These are supposedly direct fit, direct swap from the stock HIDs to LEDs. Supposedly LEDs take less power and they're just as bright if not brighter. Let's see how they work. Let's install them. Tune in for the step-by-step instruction and comparison of the stock 350Z headlights and the bulbs HIDs versus LASFIT Pro, which are actually really cool. So let's get into it.
Insert music montage. Classic sticker gang. First impression, pretty interesting. Oh, I didn't even notice they got little fans in them. That's really neat. It's nice how the wires have the nice nylon coating on them. Little braided, pretty colors for all you super JDM fanboys out there. I know that's what you guys are all about. Braided wire casing. Nice pin connectors. It looks like they're threaded as well. It looks like all this stuff is just going to bolt directly up to the factory mounting points for the ballast. The ballasts seem significantly lighter than the factory ones. They're a lot more low profile as well. I'm assuming I'm going to have to utilize the factory O-ring from the old ballast. But overall impression is they seem pretty nice. I mean, for the price that you're paying for them, you're really definitely getting some quality product. Alright, so first thing, don't mind how absolutely filthy it is. If you guys can't tell already, I'll spoil it. I'm mid-wide body this season. I'm hoping to be done by the end of the season. I really want to be able to showcase it somewhere at one of the biggest shows. First things first, you're gonna have to remove your front bumper. On each side in the wheel wells here, there's going to be 3 screws, 2 on the lip of the bumper, and then 1 on one of the headlight brackets in the wheel well area. I already have my bumper pretty much removed because obviously I'm mid-wide body. I have to take it off and sand a whole bunch of crap anyway. Make sure to be super careful when you're removing your bumper. There's a lot of little sensitive clips and such. You really want to be careful not to bend there's a metal bracket right behind the bumper here. There's all these little clips right here too. If you have the splash shield on the bottom, disconnect it from that. Mine's pretty much already ready to come off, so. Then you've got, I think, 3 or 4 screws on the headlights that you need to remove. 1 up here, 1 on the side here where the fender connects, 2 down here. Then you'll just have to go in here and disconnect your headlight. My wiring harness is tucked, so yours is gonna look a little different than mine. Step 1. Next, you'll just want to remove the ballast. Just 3 screws right in the bottom of the headlight. Nice and easy. It's much easier when everything's not sliding around on you. Nasty. Nice and thick old one versus the new one. This one's like half the weight of the old one. Very nice. You just gotta spin that. Get this old junky bulb out. Don't forget to take the O-ring off of your old ballast. You definitely want to reuse that. You don't want any water and condensation getting into your headlight and then frying your brand new setup. So then you'll have to snake this longer connector down through the bottom here. So that will have to plug into your new bulb. Line up your bolt holes. You just have to put a good amount of pressure on there to get it to seat properly. You want to make sure before you put the screws in that all of the corners are pretty much nice and flush up against the plastic, just to make sure that you have a good seal. And now we are good to throw those screws back in. All right, next, just want to slap one of these bad boys in. Just make sure you get it in the grooves properly. Next, you just want to make sure you line this up properly. There's a little guide pin right there and a hole right there to make sure that every wire is going in its corresponding home. Plug that bad boy in. Screw on the cap. It's actually pretty impressive. Usually when people put LED bulbs in their cars, they have to do a hack job. They have to cut the mount or something dumb. It's nice being able to just slap everything on and not worry about anything at all. Make sure you slap your cover back on properly. Lock it in and you're good to go. Bam. Just repeat the same thing with the other side. So we got everything in. We're ready to turn them on, see how bright they are.
Where's your excitement?
I don't know. I'll see.
Ooh.
Besides the fact that my headlights look terrible, those bulbs are actually way brighter. I really need to invest in some new headlights. But the fact that those are just like a nice crisp
crystal
white.
They're white.
I know. Those are cool. If I had these on some new headlight housings themselves, it'd look phenomenal, but for what I'm working with, these bulbs are actually pretty badass. Oh, hell yeah. Overall, I really like them. Can we restart? I dicked her up.
Yeah, that's fine.
Dumb.
Just say it again. Clap first, though.
Oh. No! No! In the arms of an angel. Stop. Dad, stop! No! It's like, bitch, you thought. Huge thank you to LASFIT for sponsoring this. Overall, I think these are actually pretty sweet. It's nice not having to cut anything up like you have to with a lot of other ones. They make everything nice and easy. It's all packaged nicely.
So as you guys just saw, this every time I edit, I always like hug you, and it's just like the most cringy thing ever. Like it's
really
weird.
Bad. Everyone probably thinks we're like
together.
Really stupid.
Oh.
I mean, you just gave it away. Now they all know. You gave it away. We're together.
You're gay. Anyway, you guys just saw the install of the LASFIT LED bulbs. It's a complete conversion from the HIDs to LEDs. Nothing crazy about it. It's just direct fit. Everything fits perfectly. They do make the bulbs for 350Zs, 370Zs, G35s, G37s, and even GTRs, I think up to 2016. And you can go down in the description, check out the code which gives you certain percentage off. You'll see it on the screen right now because I don't know it yet. But you can get some of those bulbs for you. I don't get anything out of it. You just get a discount, so enjoy that. And thank you all so much for watching this video. Thank you LASFIT for sponsoring this video, and I will see you in the next video. Keegan, goodbye.